Most famous Thai actors and their real-life beautiful mothers. 1. Pon West is a model and actor, and his roles in the TV shows Pramuk and Trap Up Si Champu have made him well known. Mother Chanut Pon Visitsupon. 2. Chavan Vihokratna is a host, model, actor, and his other name is Che. Mother Vyasuda Lim Kayonsuk. 3. Aham Pawar Chirsavangti is an actor, and he is well known for his leading parts in the movies Shipper, Due, He's Coming to Me, and Make It Right. Mother of Aham Pawar. 4. Muse Basit is a singer, actor, and CEO, and his tracks have reached the top 10 on Billboard's World Digital Song Sales chart, making him the first Thai artist to do so. Mother of Muse Basit. 5. Bright Vachave Chivari is the most handsome and popular Thai actor. He became well known for his roles in the television series F for Thailand, Boys Over Flowers, Together the series, and the movie Love You to Death, Congrats My Ex. Mother of Vachravit Chivari. 6. Jiayo Tang Sisuk is an actor who is well known for his parts in television dramas and films including Mist of Love, Timeline, The One in My Heart, and The Underneath the Same Sky. Mother Chotika Tang Sisuk. 7. Gulf Kanawat is a famous Thai actor who gained popularity for his roles in the television programs Than Type, the program Larchan, You Are My Makeup Artist, and the movie Bua Pen Fun Yep. Mother Nong Noch Chai Patnapang. 8. Mike Angelo is a Thai singer and actor who gained fame as a member of the Thai musical group Goff and Mike. Mother Prasai Niti Paisaikul. 9. Pachara Chirativat is a singer and actor, and his leading parts in the 2011 movie Succeed and The Billionaire have made him most famous. Mother Chanada Chirativat. 10. Nafat Siang Sompun is a model and actor, and he appeared in a Nifia for Men TV commercial for the first time. Then he gained popularity in a King Power promo. Mother Pimpaka Siang Sompun. 11. Parafat Sang Potirat is a singer, model, and actor, and his roles in the 2016 Thai television shows Meant to Be, Who Are You, and Sotas, the shows have made him most famous. Mother of Christ Parafat. 12. Mario Morer is a model and actor, and his first main part in a feature film was in Love of Siam in 2007. Mother Vrania Morer. 13. Jung Achinadin is an actor and singer, and his parts in Hidden Agenda, Stars and Sky, Star in My Mind, and To Moon 2 are what made him most famous. Mother of Jung Archin. 14. Prince Suparat is an actor and model and stars in Pop Rock Raknakara. My Husband-in-Law and My Forever Sunshine are also well known. Mother Panhatai Suparat. 15. Nade Kugimiya is a model and actor, and his most well-known performances are in The Crown Princess, My Love from the Star, The Con Artist, The Rising Sun series, and The Death Whisperer. Mother Sudharat Kugimiya. 16. Parth Dhanapon is a singer and actor, and his performance in Soul Call marked his acting debut, and he became well known for playing A in Love by Chance. Mother of Parth Dhanapon. 17. Kong Thapik is a singer, model and actor, and he received his diploma from London's Sylvia Young Theatre School. Mother of Kong Thap. 18. Metavin Opas Imkajon is an actor, and after making his acting debut in the entertainment and fashion industries in 2020, he became well known. Mother of Vin Metavin. 19. Sapap Phongkrach is a model, actor and singer, and he is well known for his roles in Fish Upon the Sky and A Tale of a Thousand Stars. Mother of Mik Sahapap. Subscribe for more videos.